In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop sharing your Google Calendar, how to unshare your Google Calendar. If you've shared a calendar in the past and want to remove someone's access, or you simply want to make your calendar private again, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish. We'll do this on a computer using a web browser, which gives you the clearest view of all sharing options. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the calendar you want to unshare. Start by heading to Google Calendar in your browser. Once it loads, look to the left side of the screen where your calendars are listed. If you don't see the full list, expand the section to reveal all calendars under My Calendars. Find the specific calendar you want to unshare. Hover over its name and you'll see a small three-dot icon appear next to it. Click that three-dot icon to open the calendar's quick menu. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This is important because it opens the settings page for the calendar you selected, not your overall account settings. You'll be taken to a dedicated page where all the options for this calendar are grouped together. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled something like Shared With or Share With Specific People or Groups. This section lists everyone who currently has access to the calendar along with their permission level. Take a moment to double check that you're viewing the correct calendar name at the top of the page so you don't change the wrong one. To unshare the calendar from someone, locate their entry in the list and click the X next to their name. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to remove access. As soon as you do this, that person will no longer be able to see or manage events on this calendar, depending on what level of access they previously had. If you're removing multiple people, repeat this for each entry you no longer want to share with. A couple of tips as you finish up. If you accidentally remove someone, you can always return to this same section later and add them back. Also, if the calendar had broad sharing or was made visible to many people, review the entire list to ensure no one is left with unintended access. Changes take effect quickly, but you might suggest the other person refresh their calendar if they still see old data cached. That's it. You've successfully stopped sharing your Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider checking out more tutorials to keep your digital life organized and secure.